Alright, now I'm going to show you how you can remove HTML tags from Twitter data or any text data. This is really very important. Whenever you start working with the scraping and the data collection, you might get a lot of HTML tags in your text data. But if you use here a beautiful soup 4, then you will be able to remove any HTML tags from your data very, in clean manner. Alright, so you have to install a beautiful soup in your computer first of all. If you have it, it will show that here requirement is already satisfied. Otherwise, it will install a beautiful soup 4 in your computer. Thereafter, you need to import beautiful soup from BS4 import. Alright, I'm gonna import here a beautiful soup. So we have got a beautiful soup here. Now I'm gonna construct here an HTML page. So you might get an HTML page something like this, HTML. Thereafter, you might end up with the headings of the HTML, let's say the H1 heading, and then I'm going to say that thanks for watching it. All right. So in this way you can get, let's go ahead and close here heading 1. Thereafter, we also need to close our HTML tag as well. So once / then HTML, then close it. All right. So let's say this is the text data and you only want this text data and you want to remove these tags. The one way to work with the replace like x.replace, and thereafter you can, copy it and then you put it inside this one and then you can say that remove it. All right. So in this way you will get that this will be removed. But once again, you see there, this is not removed. So you might need to again put a replace for this text data as well. That's mean you might need to put this replace here as well with the closing one and with this particular way. All right. So moreover, this is going to be really very difficult and, a very large set of the replace characters. All right, like this one, but this is going to be really very difficult and very large characters, so not recommended. All right, so I don't recommend this one. There is another way to remove the tags from your data, that is by using beautiful soup. So if you use here a beautiful soup, thereafter you pass here the data from where you want to remove HTML tags. Thereafter you need here LXML. All right, so this is the parsing. This is parsing used for the beautiful soup to remove HTML tags. Thereafter, you need to write here get _ text data. All right. So with this, you will see that thanks for watching and it is removed. Thereafter, if you want, you can also use a strip and then you can use here a strip. Strip will remove these extra spaces before and after this string. All right. So this is how you can get it. Now we are going to pass it inside a lambda function, and that I'm gonna count total processing time for our Twitter data. That is the time. Actually, I'm gonna just use here a time. Thereafter df, and then I'm gonna use here a tweets is equal to df tweets dot apply. Thereafter, I'm gonna use here a lambda function lambda x. And let's go ahead, simply copy this one and then finally paste it here. All right. So this is going to process this whole Twitter data and it will remove if there is any HTML tags present in this Twitter data. All right, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'll see you in next lesson.